Can you put Nystatin cream on your private area? Nystatin is used to treat fungal skin infections. Nystatin is an antifungal that works by stopping the growth of fungus.
How to use Nystatin cream.
Use this medication on the skin only. Clean and thoroughly dry the area to be treated. Apply this medication to the affected skin, usually twice a day or as directed by your doctor.
Dosage and length of treatment depends on the type of infection being treated.
Do not apply this more often than prescribed. Apply enough medication to cover the affected area and some of the surrounding skin. After applying this medication, wash your hands unless you are using this medication to treat the hands. Do not wrap, cover or bandage the area unless directed to do so by your doctor. If used in the diaper area on an infant, do not use tight-fitting diapers or plastic pants. Do not apply this medication in the eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. Use this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. Remember to use it at the same times each day. Precautions. Before using Nystatin, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or if you have any other allergies.
This product may contain inactive ingredients, which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more details.